Tired of worrying about high blood pressure after 60? The right foods could help lower your numbers and protect your heart naturally. Stay tuned to discover 7 delicious heart-healthy foods every senior should eat. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Goodbye. High blood pressure. Heart-healthy foods seniors must eat and eat after 60. Senior Heart Health Introduction. Giving your heart a fresh start. After 60. If you're over 60, chances are high that you've heard your doctor talk about high blood pressure more times than you can remember. Maybe you've seen the numbers creep up at every yearly checkup. Or perhaps your doctor has already prescribed medication. Or maybe you're one of those seniors who feels perfectly fine. But deep down, you know that high blood pressure is called the silent killer for a reason. You can feel healthy, active, and energetic, while hidden damage builds up in your arteries, your heart, and your brain. Nearly 2 out of every 3 seniors in the U.S. live with high blood pressure. It's one of the most common health issues faced by older adults. Left unchecked, it raises your risk of heart attacks, strokes, kidney damage, and memory loss. Doctors often focus on medications, and yes, sometimes medication is necessary. But there's another powerful tool that's just as important: the food you choose to eat every single day. What you put on your plate can help lower blood pressure naturally. Certain foods help relax blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and keep your arteries flexible. They don't just lower your numbers, they help your entire cardiovascular system work better. That's why today I want to share with you 7 amazing foods that every senior over 60 should eat to help fight high blood pressure. These foods aren't expensive or exotic. Many are things you can find in your local grocery store. But when you eat them consistently, they can help you say a powerful farewell to high blood pressure. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these foods work, how they protect your heart, and how to add them into your daily routine in delicious ways. Food number 1. Berries. Nature's little heart helpers. First up on our list is a group of fruits that are small but mighty berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. In fact, studies have shown that people who eat berries regularly have a lower risk of developing high blood pressure. Berries also help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, both of which are major contributors to stiff arteries and higher blood pressure. Consider Helen, a 68-year-old woman whose blood pressure readings used to hover around 150/90. Her doctor encouraged her to eat more fruits and vegetables. Helen decided to start her day with a bowl of oatmeal, topped with a generous handful of blueberries and strawberries. Over the next few months, her blood pressure dropped to 128/78. Helen felt excited that something as simple and delicious as berries made such a big difference. Berries are also low in calories, high in fiber, and naturally sweet, making them perfect for weight control. And maintaining a healthy weight is one of the best things you can do for your blood pressure. Ways to enjoy berries. Add them to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. Blend them into smoothies with yogurt or almond milk. Sprinkle them over low-fat Greek yogurt for a healthy dessert. Keep a bowl of frozen berries on hand for a cool snack. Food number 2. Oats, a simple grain with a big impact. Next, let's talk about a food that might already be in your pantry: oats. Oats are famous for helping lower cholesterol. But did you know they're also great for blood pressure? Oats contain a special type of fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan has been shown to help your body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow and reducing strain on your heart. Research suggests that eating oats regularly can reduce both systolic, the top number, and the diastolic, the bottom number, blood pressure. George, a 70-year-old man, used to have blood pressure readings around 162/90. He loved bacon and eggs for breakfast. But after his doctor advised dietary changes, George started eating oatmeal instead. He made it tasty by adding cinnamon chopped nuts and fresh berries. 6 months later, his blood pressure was 178. George said he felt more energetic, lighter, and proud that he was helping his heart, without relying only on pills. Oats are also affordable, easy to prepare, and versatile. They're an excellent choice for seniors on a budget. How to include oats. Make warm oatmeal for breakfast with fruit and nuts. Use oats in homemade muffins or pancakes. Blend oats into smoothies for added fiber. Prepare overnight oats in a jar for a quick grab-and-go meal. Food number 3. Beets. A bright vegetable with powerful benefits. Our third food is one that many seniors overlook, but shouldn't beets. Beets are packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This powerful compound helps open up blood vessels, improve circulation, and lower blood pressure. Several studies have shown that drinking beet juice can lower systolic blood pressure by as much as 4 to 10 points within just a few hours. But even eating whole beets roasted, boiled, or grated into salads provides these benefits over time. Martha, a 72-year-old woman, used to have readings around 155/88. She started drinking a small glass of beet juice daily. Within a few weeks, her systolic pressure dropped by nearly 10 points. Martha was thrilled that she could achieve results without adding another prescription medication. Beets also contain antioxidants and fiber, which support overall heart health. Ways to enjoy beets. Roast them and toss with olive oil and vinegar. Drink a small glass of beet juice daily. Add grated raw beets to salads for color and crunch. Blend cooked beets into smoothies for natural sweetness. Some seniors worry about beets' natural sugars, but moderate portions are perfectly safe and can be incredibly beneficial for heart health. A few final thoughts. For part 1, high blood pressure can feel overwhelming. But remember, you have more control than you might think. Small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your numbers and reduce your need for medications. Adding foods like berries, oats, and beets isn't just good for your heart. It's delicious and satisfying. It's about finding joy in meals that protect your health. In part 2 of this video, we'll explore 4 more incredible foods that every senior over 60 should add to their diet to keep blood pressure low and heart health strong. Stay with me, it could change your life. Food number 4, garlic, a natural blood pressure medicine. Next on our list is a food that's small in size, but mighty in benefits: garlic. For centuries, garlic has been used for its medicinal properties. Modern research confirms what ancient healers already knew. Garlic helps lower blood pressure. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, which helps relax blood vessels and improves blood flow. Studies show that people who consume garlic regularly can reduce their systolic blood pressure by up to 10 mmHg, a significant drop that can help protect your heart. Let's talk about Edward, a 65-year-old man whose blood pressure hovered around 150/92. Instead of adding more medications, his doctor encouraged him to try incorporating garlic into his meals. Edward started chopping fresh garlic into his soups and salads, and also used garlic powder to season chicken and vegetables. Over a few months, Edward's blood pressure fell to 132/84. He felt healthier and was thrilled that he could help his heart naturally. One caution: garlic can thin your blood, which may be risky if you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin. Always talk to your doctor before increasing your garlic intake significantly. How to enjoy garlic. Mince fresh garlic and add it to pasta sauces or soups. Roast whole garlic bulbs for a sweet, mild flavor. Sprinkle garlic powder on roasted veggies or chicken. Mix chopped garlic with olive oil and lemon juice for a healthy salad dressing. Food number 5. Dark chocolate. A sweet way to lower blood pressure. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate can help lower blood pressure. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, plant compounds that help blood vessels relax and widen, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing pressure on your heart. The key is moderation and choosing chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. Lower cocoa content usually means higher sugar, which isn't heart-friendly. Consider Martha, a 69-year-old woman with a sweet tooth. She used to snack on milk chocolate, but her doctor recommended switching to dark chocolate. Martha started enjoying a small square of dark chocolate each evening. Not only did her cravings stay satisfied, but her blood pressure dropped from 145/88 to 128/80 over a few months. Dark chocolate is also rich in magnesium and antioxidants, both helpful for heart health. How to enjoy dark chocolate. Eat 1 or 2 small squares after dinner. Melt dark chocolate and drizzle over berries for a healthy dessert. Add dark chocolate shavings to oatmeal or yogurt. Make homemade trail mix with dark chocolate chunks and nuts. Food number 6. Nuts. Tiny powerhouses for your heart. Another heart hero for seniors over 60 is nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews are full of healthy fats, fiber, magnesium, and plant compounds that lower inflammation and help keep blood pressure in check. A handful of nuts each day has been shown to lower systolic blood pressure by 2 to 3 points, which may not sound huge, but combined with other healthy habits, it's significant. Let's talk about Helen, a 66-year-old woman who loved salty snacks. Her doctor encouraged her to switch from chips to unsalted nuts. Helen began carrying small bags of almonds in her purse for snacking. Over time, her blood pressure dropped from 148/90 to 130/82. She also felt fuller between meals and lost a few pounds, further helping her heart. Just remember, nuts are high in calories, so portion control is key. How to enjoy nuts. Snack on a small handful instead of chips or candy. Sprinkle chopped nuts on salads or yogurt. Add walnuts to oatmeal for crunch and omega-3s. Make your own trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Food number 7. Olive oil. Liquid gold for your heart. The final food on our list is a staple of the Mediterranean diet: olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. These compounds reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel health, and help lower blood pressure. Research shows that people who use olive oil regularly tend to have lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of heart disease. Edward, the man who added garlic to his meals, also began using olive oil instead of butter. He drizzled it on steamed vegetables and used it to sauté chicken and fish. Over a few months, his cholesterol improved and his blood pressure stayed in a healthier range. The best olive oil is extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, which retains the most antioxidants. How to enjoy olive oil. Use it as salad dressing mixed with vinegar and herbs. Drizzle it over grilled fish or veggies. Dip whole grain bread into olive oil with a sprinkle of herbs. Use it instead of butter for cooking eggs or sautéing. A final message. High blood pressure doesn't have to define your golden years. By adding these 7 heart-healthy foods to your daily life: garlic, dark chocolate, nuts, olive oil, and the others we covered in Part 1, you're giving your body powerful tools to keep blood pressure under control naturally. Small changes really can add up to big results. You deserve to enjoy delicious food that also protects your heart. Stay with me for Part 3, where we'll talk about how to create a daily meal plan using these 7 foods, plus practical tips for shopping, cooking, and staying motivated. Your heart and your whole body will thank you.